Counting 1 to 20. Let's count. 1 dollhouse. 2 2 pencils. 3 1 2 3 3 erasers. 4 1 2 3 4 4 chairs. 5 1 2 3 4 5 5 happy faces. 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 red crayons. 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 brown crayons. 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 red balloons. 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 blue balloons. 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10 yo-yos. 11 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 11 dolls. 12 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 12 white balloons. 13 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 13 beautiful kites. 14 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 14 green balloons. 15 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 15 green crayons. 16 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 16 orange crayons. 17 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 different balls. 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 wooden blocks. 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 balloons. 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 crayons.
How did you get to be so smart?
Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Good job! Let's count together again soon. Goodbye!